Razor-sharp saw blades tear through wood with ruthless precision, the thunderous crash of falling trees echoing through the forest. Towering machines, brimming with raw power, conquer nature with unstoppable force. Today, for an adrenaline-fueled adventure, every second is a spectacle you won't want to miss. Tires churn through the mud, engines roar with untamed power, and a mighty forestry machine battles the rugged terrain. The beast drags a massive log through the wilderness, conquering the steep slopes with relentless force. The Ecolog 590D roars to life, a true titan of the forest. Its massive hydraulic arm swings into action, gripping towering trees with relentless force. Cutting down trees is extremely dangerous work. Be careful at all times. The mighty skidder grinds through the unforgiving terrain, its hulking frame caked in thick mud, its wheels sinking deep into the treacherous forest path. The relentless pull of the earth threatens to trap it, but this beast refuses to be tamed. Amidst the towering trees of the dense forest, a mighty logging machine dominates the landscape. Its powerful hydraulic arm lifts massive logs with ease, stacking them onto its rugged frame with mechanical precision. In the heart of the forest, raw power meets cutting-edge engineering. This massive wood chipper devours thick logs with relentless efficiency, reducing towering timber to a flurry of flying wood chips. As the machine roars to life, its razor-sharp blades tear through the frozen bark. A heavy-duty forestry machine lies overturned in the snow, its massive wheels wrapped in steel chains, struggling against nature's unforgiving terrain. The roar of machinery echoes through the forest as this colossal logging harvester tears through the wilderness with unstoppable force. The unstoppable beast of the forest plunges into the rugged terrain, its massive wheels gripping the earth with unyielding force. This logging titan, built for the toughest challenges, drags freshly cut timber through the dense woodland, conquering every obstacle in its path. High above the forest floor, steel cables slice through the air, carrying massive logs with precision and power. The tension in the lines is palpable, as if the forest itself is holding its breath. This is the art of cable logging, where brute force meets engineering mastery, conquering steep slopes and treacherous terrain. With a fierce roar, the grinding blade devours the massive tree stump, turning solid wood into a cloud of flying chips and dust. The relentless power of the machine tears through the roots, breaking apart what once stood tall and mighty. No stump is too tough, no obstacle too great. This beast of a grinder leaves nothing behind but raw earth, reclaiming the land with sheer, unstoppable force. Sheer dominance, this powerful wood chipper devours massive logs, reducing them to a storm of flying wood chips in seconds. The mighty crane arm grabs and feeds the machine, fueling its relentless hunger for timber. Like a relentless predator, this high-powered harvester grips the massive log with unyielding force, slicing through it with surgical precision. In the heart of the logging battlefield, this machine reigns supreme, turning towering trees into perfectly processed logs in mere moments. A colossal force grips the freshly felled tree, hoisting it high like a trophy of domination over the forest. The mighty harvester, an engineering marvel, effortlessly maneuvers through the dense woodland, stripping branches and slicing through timber with unrelenting precision. In this high-stakes battleground of machines versus nature, the unstoppable power of logging technology reigns supreme. A beast of steel and hydraulics prowls the forest, its powerful claw seizing a massive tree as if it were no more than a twig. With unyielding force, the machine dominates the terrain, stripping branches and cutting with surgical precision. This is not just logging, this is a battle of power and control, where man and machine reshape nature with every calculated move. Amidst the towering giants of the forest, mechanized titans move with relentless precision. The excavator's mighty arm, equipped with a fearsome claw, tears through the chaos, gripping logs as if they were mere twigs. In the background, another machine works tirelessly, devouring the harvested timber, turning raw power into controlled efficiency. This is the symphony of industrial might, where man and machine command the wild with an iron grip.